Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 29th of September 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX for the upcoming expiry on the 4th of October 2024. So the max OI levels have been the same, that's neutral. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is still very high, that's negative actually, because it's considered a contrarian indicator at that point. Implied volatility is higher, historical volatility is lower, that's a negative and a positive respectively. RSI is higher, that's positive. No, there is a divergence, that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is higher, pivot point is higher, and the candlestick is neutral, so this is actually neutral. But overall, the support and resistances are the same. And the overall prediction is that SPX goes up this week. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.